let's fix it this PC and make sure the C drive have enough memory space. Maximum minimum 80 to 100 GB you need to have a free space. Okay, if it's not means you need to free up the space and go to Epic Game Launcher and go to the download section. Click download settings and make sure the automatic update should be in enable. Automatic upgrade it should be in enable, and after that you need to go to default storing place. The C drive it should be, I already told, it should be have 80 to 100 GB. And after download speed it should be in disable. Then after go to the Fortnite and click three dot icon, go to manage. Here verify file is signed. You need to click the verify and wait for a couple of seconds. It will take a couple of seconds to verify the entire Fortnite folders and files. Once complete, after you can again go to the manage, and here you can see installation is start. Click the folder and go to Fortnite game, go to binary, go to Win64, EC anti-cheat, setup is start. Double click it, it should run like this. Okay, if it's running like this means there is no issue. Then you can come back and go to the Fortnite setup, right click and go to properties and go to compatibility. Here you can show all should be in disable mode. Click apply and OK. After close it all the setup, and the next you need to go to search for run and type the following text: percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. In this, go to Epic Game Launcher, go to saved, and here web cache is there. You need to delete the web cache. Sometimes web cache is not unable to delete. You need to go to the task manager and end the task of the Epic Game Launcher. So it's because it's running in background, that's why unable to delete. Once you end the task, then come back and you can retry again. It's deleted, and go to crash file, and if there is any folders and files, you need to delete the crashes. And the next step, you need to go to the services, scroll down, and you can go and check for Windows installer. Right click and go to properties, package, and here you can see it should be in stopped, but it should be in running mode. Click apply and OK, and again restart it. Once complete, after you need to go back and go to PC and right click and go to properties, and you need to go to tools and scan it. It will scan the entire C drive because all the files and folders are in C drive, so we can scan only C drive is enough. If there is an issue, it will rectify it. And close and go to settings and go to network and internet settings and scroll down, go to advanced settings, click network and restart now. Thank you.